Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how to take a screenshot at the Huawei Y6 in the version of 2018. By the way, it works also with the Y5 and the Y7. So there are three ways to take a screenshot. For the first way, you need the power button and the volume down button. If you press it for the same time, you will have a screenshot. One more time, the power button and the volume down button, press it for the same time, and you will have a screenshot. For me, the most easiest way. Okay, the second way is to scroll down and go down to the icon screenshot. One more time, scroll down to go to the shortcuts, go on screenshot, and you have the screenshot. By the way, you can also share directly or edit the picture. Maybe if you want to crop a picture or something like this, it is possible with that tool. Okay, for the third method, you can use your three fingers and swipe it down, and you can make also a screenshot, but you have to enable it first. For that, we go to the settings, then we scroll down to the point Smart Assistance, then we have to go to Motion Control and to three fingers screenshot. So here you have the instructions, and here you can enable it. Now it's enabled. You can go back and use your three fingers to make a screenshot. One more time, three fingers, and you will have a screenshot. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I could help you with this video, and maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. It's always helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos. Maybe if you're interested, then you can have a look. Thank you so much for watching, and maybe until next time. Ciao.